Hey guys, my name is Nash Lynch, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how I build out an AI calling agent for real estate. Now, this agent is going to be booking appointments. In case you don't know who I am, I've been working with this type of AI for the past 2 years now, and I've built out dozens of different agents for dozens of different types of companies. I have a very set format which seems to work in every single industry that I've tried, and today I'm going to just show you how I would build out an AI agent for real estate specifically. Now, for today's video, I'm going to be using Nova Echo AI. They are personally the best voice AI that I have worked with so far. So we're going to be going to their agents tab, and then you're going to go to agents, voice agent, and then do an outbound agent. I already sort of have one saved here. So once you click outbound agent, this screen will pop up. As you can see, I choose the language, I choose the opening message. The opening message is the first thing that the AI is going to say when it picks up the phone. So I have it as, hey, is this Nash? Because obviously it's going to be calling me. And by the way, after this, I'm going to show you exactly what it sounds like over the phone because I'm going to have it call myself. So I put, hey, is this Nash? I'm going to choose this voice. It is personally my favorite female voice for outbound calls. And then as you can see, there's all these options down here. The double call option is basically going to boost your conversion rates because it is going to get through to people who might be on Do Not Disturb. The voicemail detection will help you save money because if it goes to voicemail, it won't spend more time on the phone, it'll just hang up. So you're gonna wanna make sure those two are on. Now, for AI creativity, we'll leave it there. Initial message delay we'll keep at 1 second. Response speed and interrupt sensitivity we'll keep at how they are, at low and auto respectively. So, as I scroll down, you can see this is a very, very simple prompt. This is not that long at all. So we start with the background information. This is basically just giving the AI a name, telling it what its goal is, and telling it who it works for. If you want to put any extra information about your company, this would be the spot to do it. So as you can see, I have, you are a human named Maya. Your goal is to set appointments on the calendar with prospects who are interested in buying or selling a home. You are reaching out specifically to colder age leads with the aim of reconnecting with individuals who may now be ready to make a move. Under that, you're going to put the objection handling. Now, you can copy exactly what I have here. This seems to work on every single agent I make, no matter what. So it says, throughout the call, handle any objections by acknowledging the prospect's statements, asking a clarifying question, and then steering the conversation back towards their potential real estate goals. As you can see, I just gave it a 3-step framework for how to handle any objection that is given. So while you can add your FAQs as well, which will help tremendously, this will be able to answer any question it's given no matter what really happens. So then as soon as I put that, I say, keep your tone friendly, casual, and confident, and act as if you're chatting with an old friend. Use natural language and filler words like or okay. Now, I know it might seem counterintuitive to have the AI say and but it makes it sound much more human and people will trust it much more. If someone called you and started speaking perfectly, you'd be a little bit sketched out. So having this AI say and will make it sound much more human and less people will realize that it's an AI. So once you put that in, you're going to put your script. Now, the script is completely up to you, whatever you want to put there. There's no like set script that works the best, I would say. But I want you to keep in mind that keep it sounding as human as possible. You don't want to prompt it with super proper language or anything, or you don't want to give it the script that you give your reps. You want to give it the script that your reps use over the call. Because while you may give your reps a certain script, their language is a bit more loose, a bit more casual. They don't follow it word for word, and it's not 100% proper. I don't know if you know exactly what I mean, but basically just make it sound more realistic by making it less sort of salesy, I guess. Now, once you do all of that, you put in your script, you can also put your Q&As at the bottom. And once the Q&As are at the bottom, you are pretty much done. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click launch a call. As you can see, I have a set list of phone numbers right here, so I'm just going to select one of them. All right, so I just launched the call. Let me go grab my phone. And as you can see, it is already giving me a call. So I'm going to answer this.
Hey, is this Nash?
Yeah, it is Nash. Who is this? Who's calling me?
Hey, Nash, this is Maya. I'm a local real estate advisor, just reaching out real quick. I noticed you might still be considering buying or selling a home, and with the market shifting, I thought it could be a great time to revisit your options. Would you be open to a quick chat about what you're looking for?
I don't really have much time right now. So yeah, I kind of have to run.
I understand, Nash. Just real quick, are you currently thinking about buying or selling a home, or maybe both?
I mean, I was considering selling mine, but Like I said, I don't really have the time for this call right now. Could you call me back at a different time?
I get it, Nash. How about I check back with you at a later time? When would be a good time for me to call you back?
I'm not sure.
That's okay, Nash. If you think...
So I cut the call short there, but you got to see how the AI interacted with me and how exactly it was talking over the phone. It sounds super human. Sometimes the mic may make it sound a little bit different, but that's okay. You can go test it out for yourself on Nova Echo's website. I'll have that linked in the description below. But with that being said, that is literally it. That's how easy it is to build out an AI agent for real estate. So if you're interested in learning more about this type of technology and how it can work for your business, just book a call with the first link in the description, and me or someone from my team will be able to help you out. But with that being said, like the video if you got value out of it, subscribe as well, and have a great rest of your day.